Water activities are fun and enjoyable. But did you know that drowning can happen in just a matter of seconds? It is often sudden and can affect anyone, especially children. That's why understanding water safety is very important. Being aware of the risks and understanding practicing safety measures, we can save lives and prevent accidents. Remember, water safety starts with awareness and responsibility.
One of the most effective ways to prevent drowning is through proper supervision. Young children should always be watched closely by responsible adults. Avoid distractions such as using cell phone or leaving children undetected even for a short time. Learning basic swimming skills and knowing how to respond during emergencies, including CPR and first aid, can make a big difference. Being prepared can help save someone's life with every second.
Before entering the water, always remember to follow these rules. Never swim alone. Always swim with a friend or someone who can help you in case of emergency. Never mind that. If you're boating or entering deep water, always wear a properly fit life jacket. Also, avoid running near pools because the slippery surface can prevent injuries.
Following these simple rules can help keep everyone safe while having fun.
Drowning is preventable and everyone has a role in it. On keeping our family safe and our community safe. By practicing water safety, supervising children, wearing life jacket, and learning life-saving skills, we can reduce the risk of drowning. Together, let's spread awareness and encourage others to stay safe in waters. Remember, prevention saves life.